Hello everybody, it's me, Joe Somebody, and I'm here to make another video for you. There's a net in here. Today I decided it would be a good idea to take me some Allegra and take a couple squirts of Nasacort up each nostril and venture out into the pollen-covered world. Accompanied by a friend of mine and armed with his new DJI Phantom. Accompanied by a friend of mine and armed with his DJI Phantom. It's not a Phantom, I keep saying Phantom. Accompanied by a friend of mine and armed with his DJI Mavic Pro Platinum, we decided to have some fun. Take a look. This is Justin. And this is the new DJI Mavic Pro Platinum.
What is your thought of the remote controller as compared to the Phantom?
You know, because you're looking at the same screen on the phone as what you saw on the other one, yeah. I don't pay much attention to the difference in the controller itself. I actually like it more than I thought I would. I thought I would miss the remote control.
I like the small form factor.
It's lighter. It's easier to hold and deal with. I mean, as a whole. Of course, I had the iPad on top of mine, so.
Yeah. Well, I thought about buying the iPad adapter for mine just so the times that I want to have a bigger screen, I can have the bigger screen. I'm trusting you, Joey.
Oh, come on, untrustworthy. 3 times have I killed someone with a drone. Hey, what are you doing, boy? What is that? Are you actually talking to it?
It's struggling. It's on the struggle bus today. I got to work with
I thought
Molly.
I drove you here in the truck, so didn't know you rode the struggle bus.
It's definitely on the struggle bus.
It's so windy up under the drone. Weed eater. Jaxon also has his very own drone that he's been waiting for this warmer weather to be able to fly. Now his, of course, is not a DJI product. It's not a smart drone with GPS and all the safety sensors. So believe it or not, that thing is actually a lot harder to fly than one of the bigger, nicer, more expensive ones. But I think he did a pretty good job. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell for notifications, tweet me, follow me on Instagram to see photos and things, etc, etc. Heck, give me a shout on the ham radio. I'm Joe Somebody, and I'll see you in the next video.